Hey everyone, it's Jessie from Sugarberry. In today's video, we're going to focus on our favorite little duckling, Molly. With this build, I want to give her 3 separate areas around her home. One for fishing, a second for reading, and a third for a lemonade stand. This is a build that anyone of any experience level could definitely complete. But before we get started, let's take a look at the area I have set aside for Molly's build. Did you happen to notice this lily of the valley? Because I didn't until I started this build. I'm so excited to announce that GreenGrove is officially a 5-star island. As I was walking around, I noticed another one. GreenGrove is doing so well. I'm really excited to keep going and make more progress on this island. A quick thanks to those of you who watch this video. I really appreciate you being here each time and sharing in this journey with me. Before we get started in the build, let's do some cleanup. With our moving kit and our bridge placed, and a little bit of time travel, everything is ready to go. Now it is time to make our way back over so we can get started on this build and give Molly the area she deserves. The first thing to do is start laying all of our main pathing. So, let's go! of our base pathing is complete, we can start focusing on our decorating. I've picked out a lot of cute items to complete her fishing spot, reading spot, and her lemonade stand. Without further ado, let's get started. After we look at Miss Molly, isn't she just the cutest? As you can see, Ellie decided to help out again and be right in the way of the build. With everything in its place, we just need a little bit of time to get these plants and trees looking beautiful. And just like that, today's build is complete. We were able to give Molly her own area on GreenGrove to fish, to read, and to sell lemonade. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. Also, don't forget to leave comments down below with any suggestions for future build ideas. I love hearing your input. Until next time, take care. Bye!